This car was once forgotten, abandoned in silence for decades. Dust covered every surface, rust slowly destroyed the body, and the engine hadn't roared in years. Most people looked at this classic Mustang and saw nothing more than scrap metal. But we saw something different. A legend waiting for a second chance. The restoration process began with a deep wash, removing years of dirt and neglect, piece by piece. As the mud disappeared, the true beauty of this American icon slowly returned. Next came the hard work, repairing damaged panels, restoring the interior, rebuilding mechanical parts, and bringing life back into the heart of the car. Every bolt mattered. Every detail counted. Hours turned into days, and days turned into weeks. Slowly, this Mustang transformed from a forgotten machine into a masterpiece. The fresh white paint, the iconic black racing stripes, the polished wheels, and the aggressive classic design brought back the soul of a true muscle car. And finally, after years of silence, the legend came back to life. This isn't just a restoration, this is history reborn. A timeless classic saved from being forgotten forever.